It's done. Really digging this filament here. Check that out. Ooh. Oh, that's not bad. Oh, that's not bad at all. Look at that. Let's see how this comes off. Oh, that's going to be messy. Oh, maybe not as bad. Look at that. Okay. Not so bad. That's good enough for now. And then we got this little block here. I gotta go see if I got a can of soda. Okay, so we got our can here. That's not bad. They got this. They have this as part of the model. Oh, it puts a little extra pressure on it. That's cool. So I found this on Maker World, and it's a Lego inspired can holder. That's pretty cool. I found the Lego cup drink holder on MakerWorld.com. Go check it out.